This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michelle Dutkin. Better than new. This 3-bedroom, plus den, 2-bath beauty was built in 2019 and offers designer features throughout. It's spacious and bright with high-volume ceilings and split floor plan. Wonderful white kitchen features an extra-large island with seating, stainless steel appliances, pantry, and granite. The kitchen overlooks a large dining room and living room. Screen-covered lanai with garden view. Natural gas. The home even has remote window coverings. Community clubhouse with pool, barbecue area, exercise room, kitchen with cooking classes, library, etc. Gated community when completed. Terrific 55-plus community, all young at heart. For more information, review the details below or contact Michelle Dutkin at 772-219-1111.